most people ask AI things like, help me be productive, and get the same generic answers. But watch what happens when we optimize that same prompt with PrompTessor. Step 1. Let's start. PrompTessor is designed to analyze and optimize your prompts. Instead of guessing what to type, it shows you what's weak, rewrites it with clarity and focus, and helps you get far better results from ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, or any AI model. Just click the link in the description, hit Get Started, and sign in with Google. Here's the dashboard, clean and simple, ready to analyze any prompt. Step 2. Weak prompt test. Let's start with the weak prompt and see how it performs. Click into the text box and type, help me be productive. Now select your output language. I'll choose English. Then hit Analyze Prompt. Here's the result. You can see the overall score at the top, and PrompTessor explains why this prompt is too vague. It highlights issues like low clarity and lack of specificity, which is why the AI usually gives us generic tips. Advanced Analysis. Now let's try the same prompt with Advanced Analysis. First, toggle on Advanced Analysis and Prompt Optimization here on the dashboard. Now hit Analyze Prompt again. And here's the difference. PrompTessor gives a much deeper breakdown, scoring clarity, specificity, structure, and goal orientation. But the best part is right here, optimized prompt variations. Instead of just saying the prompt is weak, it actually rewrites it into powerful versions. Step 4. Real AI Comparison. Now let's see the real difference. First, the weak prompt in ChatGPT. Help me be productive. The response is generic. Wake up early, make a list, avoid distractions. It's fine, but nothing that really changes your productivity. Now the optimized prompt from PrompTessor. Paste it into ChatGPT and here's the output. A complete structured daily plan with exact time slots and even AI tool recommendations. That's the power of prompt optimization. Better prompts, better results. Step 5. Extra features. PrompTessor also comes with some extra features. There's multi-language support, so you can instantly get optimized prompts in Spanish, French, Hindi, or any language you prefer. It also saves every prompt in history, so you can go back and reuse them anytime. There's a free plan, but Pro unlocks unlimited advanced analysis, exactly what we use today. So the difference is clear. Better prompt, better AI result. Unlock the full potential of AI with PrompTessor. Link is right below in the description. And if you want to generate a video with Google VO3, watch the video on the left. Or if you want to change your hairstyle using AI, check out the one on the right.